This is how you lose weight without counting calories. Counting calories is a way that many people choose to lose weight. Do you also count, or have you ever counted calories? Whether your answer is yes or no, keep watching so you can make an informed decision. One of the most hidden secrets of people who count calories is that at one point or another they stop losing weight, they become frustrated and finally give up. It is true that there are people who count calories for many years, but they do it out of habit and not out of understanding. Counting calories has left many people disappointed and confused. And when people do manage to lose weight with the help of this method, they gain weight immediately after they stop using it. But despite this method of weight loss is very common. In this article, explains Dr. Gilles Yeo, a geneticist and researcher at the University of Cambridge who wrote the book Why Calories Don't Count, how we misunderstood the science of weight loss. About the science behind calories, and why counting calories is ineffective over time. Dr. Yeo explains, the first thing people make a mistake is the assumption that, as long as we count the amount of calories we eat, the source of the calories is not important. This is a fundamentally wrong assumption. The types of calories are very important. Many people believe that they must count calories in order to lose weight effectively. But many experts explain that this matter is much more complex than the number. In fact, there are three main factors in how your body processes the calories you eat. The three factors are: your metabolic rate, the health of your gut bacteria, the type of calories you eat. And this is exactly why Dr. Yeo emphasizes the fact that not all types of calories are equal. We don't really eat calories, but we eat food, from which our body produces the calories, explains Dr. Yeo. And our bodies have to work more or less to produce these calories, depending on the type of food we eat. Dr. Yeo explains that this process depends on caloric availability, which is why there is a difference between the calories you consume from a steak, carrot or donut. Caloric availability is the actual amount of calories your body can produce from the food you eat, compared to the total calories, which this particular food contains. Therefore, the amounts of energy your body uses to digest proteins, fats and carbohydrates are different. And this is also the reason why your body needs a longer or shorter digestion time to digest each of them. Out of every 100 calories of vegetable protein we eat, our body can only use 70 of the calories. Because our body needs 30 calories of energy to digest 100 grams of protein. Which means that the availability of the calories of the protein from the plant is 70%. And this is one of the reasons why the calories of protein create a feeling of satiety, more than the calories of carbohydrates and fat, explains Dr. Yeo. For comparison, the calorie availability of processed fat is close to 100%. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and legumes, have a calorie availability of 90%. And processed carbohydrates such as bread and white rice have an availability of 97%. And the meaning is, that your body uses a very small percentage of energy to digest processed fats and carbohydrates, compared to plant protein. All of the above is related to the thermic effect of the food. The thermal effect occurs during the digestion and metabolism of macronutrients. A macronutrient is a natural substance from plants, which our body needs in large quantities, for the proper existence of the body. The thermic effect of plant protein is much higher than processed carbohydrates and fats. And it makes your metabolism work harder during digestion. That is why it is recommended that you eat high-quality protein, to maintain your health and lose weight. This is how you lose weight without counting calories. Since the calories are different from each other, Dr. Yeo recommends that you stop counting calories and focus on improving the quality of your diet. He recommends that you consume more quality proteins from plants in the form of whole grains and legumes, nuts and whole seeds. Consume more dietary fiber in the form of different and varied fruits and vegetables. And avoid consuming processed and artificial carbohydrates, sugars and fats. Since counting calories doesn't really provide the desired results, you can turn to other methods. Support the channel. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below.